Hello, my name is Megawati M. NIM 20500180335. I will talk about oogenesis. 1. What is oogenesis? Oogenesis is the process of forming an egg of foam in women, which occurs in ovaries. Oogenesis stage in the ovaries. Oogenesis begins with mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the process of cell division that results in two identical gametes, daughter cell. Meanwhile, meiosis is cell division that produces four gametes, each of which has half the number of chromosomes of the parent. Each stem cell will mature and mitotic to become primary oocytes. The primary oocyte itself will later have to pass to produce secondary oocytes. In contrast to the spermatogenesis process, the first meiotic division in the oogenesis process experiences and implies development of the cytoplasmic cell part. As a result, one oocyte has many cytoplasms, while the other oocyte has no cytoplasm. Oocytes that have many cytoplasms are larger than oocytes that do not have cytoplasm. Now, this smaller oocyte is what is called the first polar body. After that, the secondary oocyte, which is larger in size, will undergo a second meiotic division which produces the oocyte. The first polar body will also split into two second polar bodies. This oocyte will develop into an ovum when it meets spermatozoa, a sperm cell. This process will later undergo degeneration or change. If after oocyte degeneration does not meet sperm cell and fertilization does not occur, then the cycle of oogenesis will repeat itself and you will also experience menstruation. Understand the family ovulation process when the ovum and nucleus are ready to fuse together and egg will mature and prepare to be released. This event of releasing an egg is called ovulation. This ovulation occurs every month. When a woman ovulates, only one egg will mature. There are several stages of ovulation that you need to know, including periovulatory. This is the stage when the lining of the egg begins to cut with mucus and prepares to move out into the uterus. On the other hand, the uterus already prepared itself to receive an egg, so its walls will thicken ovulation. At this stage, there is a special enzyme that the body has to form a hole to make it easier for eggs to move through the fallopian tube, which is the tube that connects the ovaries to the uterus. The mature egg will enter the tube and pass until it reaches the uterus. In this stage, fertilization usually occurs. Fertilization, the meeting of the egg and sperm cell, occurs in the fallopian tube and can take about 24 to 48 hours post-ovulatory. If the egg is fertilized by the sperm, the egg will be implanted directly into the uterine wall with the help of luteinizing hormone. However, if fertilization does not occur, the egg and the thickened uterine wall will set. The uterine wall itself is filled with blood vessels, so that if the wall sits, blood will come out of the vagina. Well, this is when you experience menstruation, aka menstruation.